Hi everybody, and welcome back to another video on Plannerzoid. And in today's video I will be doing my first spread for September. It is going to be, it's kind of fall-esque, but not really. The only thing I feel like that make it kind of fall might be some of the flowers and the colors, but I kind of wanted to not really recreate a spread I made, but it gave me inspo to want to do it again because you guys really did like this spread. So I wanted to do something along the lines again like that, but similar, not exactly the same. And I thought it would be a great transition into fall. I'll be using the sticker book called Wildflower from Agenda 52, which I got from Hobby Lobby. It's kind of how it looks. See, like this right here kind of look kind of fall-esque to me, you know, with the sunflowers right here. I think it looks really good. And then the colors, I think they're kind of fall-esque too. I really like it. So I'm gonna be making a spread with these and I'm excited. Let's get started. So I wanted to do sunflowers because my next micro that I'm making for the month of September will be sunflower themed. And I'm really excited to show you guys because I just released my deco micros in the shop and people seem to like them. So it's just a really fun way to decorate your planner, just another fun way. So I want to do the theme to kind of match that. So when you open a planner, it has a little aesthetic going. So I'm going to probably start with adding some flowers. I think I saw. Yeah, like this. This is really pretty. So I think we're going to add this on there. This is pretty. This is really nice. Now I don't know. Okay, so it doesn't fit the whole page. So I think I would just do one page at a time. Oh, that's pretty. Look how nice that looks. Yeah, let's add, I saw this one too, which I thought looked really nice. So, and actually I like that they have corner stickers too. I think I'm gonna use that too. Let me put it down here. I'm gonna have to cut them. Oh, you know, I kind of want it next to it so y'all can see it really good. So let's do it right here. Oh, cute. I'm noticing these corner stickers here and I am inclined to add them. So I'm going to add them. I might have to cut some of the edge off, but that's okay. Oh, it's crooked. Let me see. I might can lift it. I thought I knew what I was doing there by just sticking it on. If I get it up in time, we good. So let me try this again. Kind of hard to, that's too much corner cut off. Yeah, maybe. Okay, I think that looks better. Yeah, that looks better. I'm trying to see, do I want to add another, but I think I'm gonna do the same thing over here. We're gonna put a corner sticker over here too. And actually, I think I want it on the page, like all the way on the page. I think so. Let me move this one again. I'm changing my mind again, so we're gonna move this one. Because now I just thought of an idea to just create a whole. I don't know if that was the intent of the stickers, but why not? Yeah, it's kind of cute. Let's go ahead and also add some box stickers. I got some box stickers in here. Actually, I kind of want to layer this a certain way. Yeah, I think I am. Like, I'm going to go ahead and, come back. I'm going to cover the bottom of this, right? That's kind of cute. And then I'm thinking about just layering some boxes around it. I wonder if I can fit this on the page. Ooh, I can. Wow. Let's put it down here instead. I'm gonna have to cut some of that off, but for some reason I like it and I'm gonna go with it. I am. I'm looking at green, but I'm also looking at brown. I think I'm gonna do the brown one on this side. I kind of like the way this brown looks. If I can get this sticker right here. That's cute. I'm gonna layer it kind of like here. I love layering stickers. It provides another kind of dimension to your spread. It's really fun. And then, I'm just dropping stickers this morning. For some reason, I really want this right here. So we're gonna do that. And I really want some box stickers, so I need to, I see a couple, but I don't know. This is cute too. Kind of wanna, can I layer this? Is that too much? I feel like it's too much, but I like it for some reason. Like I really wanna add a lot of quotes and florals. I don't know why. It's just what I wanna do for the fall. I'm gonna add this one up here too, this is cute. Does seem like the flower is really showing on this page a lot. So let's just continue that. And then over here, I like these circular stickers, so I'm gonna put that over here. This is nice. And I might put a word there or something, yeah. Oh, look, okay, I found some more of these flowers, which I think I'm gonna put just like right under right here. And then I love these round stickers. The ones that have the cutout around it, I think that's nice too. So yeah, let's add some other shape to the page by adding these circles. That'll be really cute. I love just using one sticker book because it matches. I love for all my spreads to match. Ooh, look at this page. That's nice. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do one of these. It's really cute. I like this. What do we think so far? I think it looks good. I'm loving the florals. I might write something here, so I think I'm gonna leave that open. And then we might can add some embellishments. Ooh, we got dots. Okay, I'm gonna add some of these dots. Yeah, add some dots here. I kind of bent this one crazy, but I think I could just add dots for embellishment too. I'm gonna probably do that. I want to put different colors, so what a pretty color. I actually really like all the colors, the color scheme, like the kind of muted colors. I am so ready for fall. Let me know down below if you're already missing summer or if you're ready for fall. Let me know. I'm ready for fall, like now, today. Unfortunately, I live in California, so we don't get a lot of fall here, but I can still make it cozy, you know? So that's the plan, to make it cozy. So I'm gonna be doing a lot of cute cozy spreads. I'm adding these dots for embellishments. Like I just wanna add a bunch of dots. That's usually my go-to, is adding dots. That's usually my go-to. I'm liking how this is looking. Gonna add a few more. The butterflies really bring it together. I might add a couple of ladybugs. The ladybugs are kind of cute. I'm not a big bug person. Like I have a sticker book somewhere that got like beetles inside. I am not a bug person. I don't like to see bugs anywhere. Even drawn, I don't care. So I'm gonna add just a couple of ladybugs, not too many. And then I wanna add one or two more butterflies. Trying to find colors I didn't really touch too much. Here's green. That's cute. And I actually saw a couple of small flowers. Yeah. Then I wanted to add right here. Oh, the paper is coming up with the sticker. There we go. Just to really bring that sunflower theme out some, I want to add. If I can get this sticker out. All my stickers are stuck today. Oh, this is cute. I think I like this better than the last spread I did. The last spread I played it safe, you know, add some boxes to write in, put it in a certain order. This one is more, I don't know, I just thought of it on the top of my head, scattered it out more. I like it. You gotta be careful when you're cutting the clear stickers. Those are the ones you gotta be careful about. And actually, this is cute because this could definitely be embellishment on another spread. So I'm actually gonna save these stickers. You should save your stickers that you cut off if you have to cut off any on the edge. Sometimes they make really great embellishments, but my pages are clearly full. So I'm gonna put them back away. Use them later. What a pretty spread. And then when I put the days of the week, I'm probably gonna put right here, and they're gonna be in like black bold lettering, so I'll be able to see it, and I'll put the numbers and stuff on there. But this is pretty much the spread. It is so cute. I want to put it in my micro, but I can't right now because I'm still constructing it for the month. So I can't make it official and put it in my micro, but let's just say it's official. I'm done with the spread and it looks really good. And I love this spread. This is so fun. How cute is this? I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a montage. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and the colors of this spread. So ready to get ready for fall. And it's the perfect transition into fall from summer. So I'm gonna show y'all the montage. Thanks for watching. Bye.